Hello viewers, this is you can see in this video still exposed and concrete apart from this steel. So why concrete falls apart like this? So this is actually classic spelling. It's when concrete surface chip off, exposing the steel reinforcement inside. Corrosion of reinforcement normally occur moisture reaches the steel inside, causing it to rust and expand. So sometimes poor lack of cover and poor quality of concrete. If the mix is not right and cover is lack of covering, if the concrete cover not provided the bottom of steel, it weaken over time. So water seeps in, causing cracks and more damage. So proper maintenance and quality construction can prevent this. Always keep an eye on your structure to ensure they stay safe and sound. So for more construction tips and insights, hit the subscribe button and stay tuned. Thank you for watching. And if you know any else, you can give your feedback on comment section. If you are any observation for this, why it was happen and what is the solution. If you anyone wants, just comment it, or if you can provide some solution also, I appreciate. Thank you for watching.